Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is one kind of jasmine plant, and jasmine plant's flowering season is summer to rainy. Also, those who watch our daily videos know that these plants have lots of flowers. Not only does it have a good scent, but it also attracts many pollinators to your garden. Also, if you have fruits and vegetable plants in your garden, these pollinators will be very helpful, as these will help you get many fruits and vegetables. Also, as soon as its flowering season ends, it goes into dormancy period, which is in winter season. So, until spring season, we don't have to take special care of this plant. Also, as soon as its flowering ends, we take some special care of our plant so that it gets more flower next blooming season. As the plant is in dormancy period, there should be no fertilizers given to the plant. Only watering is allowed. During this time, we also train the plant. This helps the plant survive until the next season. Okay, let me tell you some basic care. First, I'm going to tell you that how you can grow some new plants from this plant only. You can do it from stem cutting or seeds. If you plant stem cuttings, its best time is rainy season. And for planting it from seeds, you have to get the seeds from the plant. And to get the seeds, you have to make sure that the seed is mature enough in plant. And after the seed is dry enough, make sure that you pluck the seed out and then plant it in some new soil. If you have checked the earlier videos, you would know that we have planted this plant from seeds earlier. But that plant has not got any flowerings yet. Also, the care always starts from spring season. So during that time, make sure that you give some potassium-rich fertilizers. You can get lots of potassium in banana peel fertilizer, kitchen waste compost, cow dung compost, etc. And these work really good for your plant. Also, make sure that you give proper watering time to time and that it gets 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Look at this leaf, this has so much dust. This is because it's the winter season and there's a lot of pollution. So because of the pollution, there's a lot of dust roaming around, for which your leaves get very dusty. So make sure to wash your plants daily with some water, so that your leaves get clean. Because if the dust is not removed, then there will be no proper photosynthesis. And sometimes if you can, spray Bioenzyme or neem oil. Because during winter season there is a lot of insect attack. So Bioenzyme and neem oil helps you prevent it. There's actually a lot of videos on this plant. So if you wish, you can watch those videos. And if you have any other questions about this plant, then make sure that you let us know. That's all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.